Hello! Welcome to English Stories with Alex and Maya.
Let's learn real English through fun and simple stories. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Hello, everyone. I'm Maya. Today we start a new story. This is Alex. Alex is traveling to London for the first time. He is excited, but also a little nervous. After a long flight, the airplane finally arrives in London Heathrow Airport. Alex takes his bag and walks to immigration control. There are many people in line. Alex waits in the queue. That's right, queue means line.
Next, please.
Alex walks to the desk.
Passport, please. Thank you. Welcome to the UK. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Here you go, officer. May I see your passport, please? Yes, of course. What is the purpose of your visit? I am here to work and explore the city. How long will you stay in the UK? I will stay for 1 year. Where will you stay? I will stay at a hotel for a few days. All right. Welcome to London. Thank you.
Alex smiles. He takes his passport and walks toward the exit. But first, he needs to find a taxi. Here are some useful airport phrases. At the airport, an officer may ask, "May I see your passport?" Another common question is, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
I see. That's good to know.
They may also ask, "How long will you stay?" And sometimes they ask, "Where will you stay?"
I see. How should I answer?
You could say, "I'm staying at a hotel." These are very common questions at international airports. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me.
May I see your passport?
May I see your passport?
Very good. What is the purpose of your visit?
What is the purpose of your visit?
How long will you stay?
How long will you stay?
Where will you stay?
Where will you stay?
Where will you stay? Great job. Thank you. What do British people say instead of line? The correct answer is queue. What document does the officer ask for? The correct answer is passport. Alex has passed immigration. Now his adventure in London begins. In the next episode, Alex will try to rent an apartment in London. See you in the next story.